We finally tried it! Yakiniku in Mega Mall for introvert people. Pero hindi kami nakaupo dyan dahil sumama tong isang to. And that's Janelle! Here are the menus and the beep. It's quite okay. You have to order using your phone and dadalhin na lang nila sa table mo. I ordered the cheapest set and include kimchi and soup and an additional pork. Janelle ordered the harumi set and it's quite pricey, but yeah, para kaming nasa Japan. Look at that. And there we go. Dito namin napatunayan na mas masarap pag hindi only ang barbecue. Napakalasa ng mga beef nila and we are actually enjoying it. Lalo na ang exclusivity ng mga beef, para siyang fresh na fresh talaga. The pork as well. And also, we ordered this curry sauce. It's quite strong and so good. And when it's time for me to taste it, the beef is so amazing. It's tender and shockingly good. And again, the curry sauce, ang sarap ng rice nila, no comment, pero masyadong malakas talaga ang curry sauce dito. I really love to sit here, pero masyado tong papansin, ayaw niya maging introvert today. But we are enjoying the place and the food.
Sarap? Try ko dahil lang. Masarap? No.
The pork. Ganun masarap. Lasang pork chop. And dahil nga gustong-gusto namin yung pagkain, umorder kami ng extra beef. The harumi set again. And this one, it's just the pure halloumi beef. And again, this our favorite. It melts in your mouth at napakasarap. At na food coma na kami. And please, check this out. Wish you were here.